Here are the top 20 technology news headlines from around the world. 1. TPG, Ratan Tata Foundation picks stakes in Tata Tech at 20% discount to IPO price superscript 1. 2. WhatsApp rolling out View Once photos, videos for desktop apps, web superscript 2. 3. Apple's MagSafe-Based Qi2 Wireless Charging standard to arrive soon on Android phones superscript 2. 4. Samsung Galaxy A14 5G getting One UI 6 update based on Android 14 in India superscript 2. 5. Samsung Galaxy S24 Series may launch as an AI phone. Galaxy S24 Ultra now said to offer a slightly curved display superscript 2. 6. iQOO 11 5G price lowered ahead of iQOO 12 5G launch. Other iQOO phones also discounted superscript 2. 7. Naruto Live-Action Movie adaptation finds writer in Tasha Huo superscript 2. 8. Samsung Galaxy A14 5G price, key specifications revealed via online listing superscript 2. 9. When will G20 nations adopt decided crypto roadmap? Indian FM gives update *** superscript 2. 10. Redmi K70 Pro price, camera details tipped ahead of November 29 launch superscript 2. 11. Oppo Find X7 Pro's odd-looking rear camera poses for a real-world image suggesting new design details superscript 2. 12. Bengaluru Airport to begin passenger trials of full-body scanners in December superscript 2. 13. Tecno Spark 24G, Spark 20 Pro renders, live images surface online, launch timeline tipped superscript 2. 14. Redmi K70 Pro teased to debut with 2K resolution display with up to 4000 nits peak brightness superscript 2. 15. Assassin's Creed Mirage pop-up advert in other AC games was result of a technical error, Ubisoft claims superscript 2. 16. YouTube introduces Playables Game Arcade for premium subscribers superscript 2. 17. Crypto price today, Bitcoin, Ether step into last week of November with losses, most altcoins see dip superscript 2. 18. iQOO 12 5G confirmed to get 3 years of OS updates in India, to arrive with lesser bloatware superscript 2. 19. OnePlus 12 design revealed in official renders, now set to launch on December 5 superscript 2. 20. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's alleged hands-on images suggest flat display and rear panel superscript 2. I hope this helps. Source: Conversation with Bing, November 30, 2023.